Welcome back to Andrea Jean Cleaning. Today I'm going to show you what happens when you dump vinegar on your mattress. My friend, these things need to be cleaned, I would say 3 to 4 times a year because of all the dead skin cells that get stuck in there. The moisture from your body starts to accumulate in here, and when you have moisture, you have bacteria. This can keep you sick if you're not cleaning it as often as you need to. Now, why do I like vinegar? 1, it's all natural. 2, it is so cheap. And 3, 5% acidity. This is what's going to kill the bacteria on your mattress. So this is what I like to do. Grab a spray bottle, and again, I do this 3 to 4 times a year, and you're gonna spray your mattress down. Now you may be saying to yourself, Andrea Jean, I cannot stand the smell of vinegar. My friend, it goes away pretty quickly, at least in my experience. So you're gonna spray your mattress. I'm gonna divide the mattress here in 2 parts because there are 2 parts to this amazing process of when you put vinegar on your mattress. Get it nice and saturated, and you're gonna let it dry because you want that bacteria to die that is housed inside of your mattress that is causing smells and possibly irritants for your lungs. Once that has dried, the next thing that you're gonna do is you're going to take some baking soda. This absorbs moisture and smells as well. That's why you put it in your refrigerator. So I do not want to dump the baking soda directly on there because it's going to stick and make this disgusting paste. You want to make sure that this is dry completely. Once it's dry, I got this at the Dollar Tree, you're going to want to put baking soda liberally all over your mattress. Again, to absorb any moisture that's housed inside of the mattress here, also to absorb any of those additional smells. This is one of the best all-natural ways to clean your mattress. I have done it straight with baking soda, but I like the acidity from the vinegar to kill the bacteria that's housed inside here. You're gonna let that sit on your mattress for as long as humanly possible. And then what you wanna do is just grab your vacuum and then vacuum the baking soda all up, launder all of your bedding as you normally would. If you have any stains on your mattress, I'm gonna link a video in the description box below for you, but give this a shot. Let me know what you think. I love it. It's cheap, it's affordable, it does what it says it's going to do. It is all natural. Give this video a thumbs up, sign up for the newsletter, which is all things cleaning tips, tricks, and hacks, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.